Hello guys, how are we doing today? So recently I've been sharing this crypto mining app to my online crypto community for those interested in mining cryptocurrencies and altcoins. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I discovered that most of the people that have referred the platform to are either having trouble withdrawing from the platform or claiming the altcoins. So I'm just going to show you guys how to go around the interface of the platform, claim the altcoins, and how to withdraw. So the coin we are going to be looking at is the Kincoin, and the platform that we are going to be using is Peerbet. So the link is in the description below. So the coin, you can check the coin on coin market cap. This is it, coin market cap king. This is its current price. If you want to read up more on the coin, you can just search for Kincoin on coin market cap. So let's quickly go to the app. So the link to the app is in the description. You can just click on it. It's going to take you directly to Play Store so that you can download the app. So once you download the app, you quickly sign up, and then once you sign up, this is the interface that it's going to open up to. So when you want to earn an altcoin, the Kincoin on this app, you just come to your top right hand side where you see this gold coin. You click on it, you come to earn king. So you tap on this place, tap to collect. So it's going to verify you. So that is it. I've claimed this free coin for now. So that is all you have to do to earn the Kincoin on this platform. So you do this consistently. After it you usually get to earn again after 30 minutes. After every 30 minutes you can come back to the platform and you earn. So to withdraw on this platform, to withdraw your coin, because that's the most important thing, to withdraw your coin, all you need is your Trust wallet. So you get your Kin wallet address from your Trust wallet. Let's do that. So when you open your Trust wallet, there are two Kin wallet addresses. Please kindly take note of this. When you want to send the coin to your Trust wallet, you search for Kin here. You notice that you're going to see two Kin wallets here. The first one, which has an SPL written under it, and the second one, which is just Kin without the SPL. So if you send your coin to this second wallet here, this Kin without the SPL, you are automatically going to lose the coin, because it's not the right wallet, it's not the right address. So you have to use this particular one with the SPL, the first one. So when you click on it, you copy your address, you just go back to the app, you come to my wallet, sorry, my network is taking time. So when you come to my wallet, you click on send Kin, you input the amount. So let's say I'm withdrawing 400 kin. You input your wallet address here and then you click on send. So this is it, successfully sent. So when I come back and I check my wallet now, my trust wallet, you see automatically I've withdrawn. So the kin is in my balance. So when I check my balance, it was 300 kin before. So this is it. This is the transaction history. 400 kin successfully sent. So that is it. That's how you can transfer your kin from the mining app, which is the Peerbet, to your trust wallet directly. It doesn't take up to 5 minutes for you to get that done. It's as simple as ABCD. If not that, my network was delaying a bit. So for the app now, there are some other ways you can actually earn. One of the ways you can earn is through referral. So the app itself is kind of like a betting app. This platform, you bet with your coin, and then when you earn in coins also. So if you place a bet and the outcome is profitable, you earn coins. But if it's not, you lose the coin which you used to place the bet. So it's one of the way that you can use to earn more coins. Although the bet is just for fun, it's not like you are doing a real betting. It's just something that you just used to play around on the app, use it to earn more coins, get bonus packages. So you try as much as possible every single day. You try and place a bet, even if it's one. Even if you don't know what you are doing, just place any bet. Do it a random bet. Select any option and just. So let's say, for instance, let me show you guys an example. Okay, Ronaldo to score against Villarreal, Champions League. Let me place this bet. So I'll click on play. I click on yes, Ronaldo to score. So this is where you select how much kin you are willing to stake. So who do you want to challenge? You pick an opponent. So these are my friends, like my referrals. So I can easily click on any of them. When I click on any of them and I continue, the bet is going to be placed between me and the particular person. So if I'm staking 10 kin, he's also staking 10 kin if he accepts the bet. So if you don't have any referrals here or anybody following you, you can just click on random opponents here. You click on continue. It's going to show you this. Then you click on play now. So once this is done, the app is going to search for a random opponent, a random person that is willing to take this bet, is willing to stake against you. So when the app finds someone, it's going to merge you guys together, and then the bet is going to be placed. But if the app is unable to locate someone at the moment that is willing to take the stake with you, then the bet is automatically going to be cancelled. So that's that for placing bets. I don't know, this is taking too long, having a really poor network today. So that's that. Let's wait a bit for this to finish loading. I think I'll be rounding up here because of my network. I can't really show you guys the whole overview of the platform, although it's just what I've showed you. It's as simple as that. You can do this. You can just play around with the site and with the app, play around with the app and see how it goes. Read their help page. You will discover ways in which you can claim more, claim more coin. So I think it's the network issue, that's why I can't place it. So that's that for how to claim the Kincoin on this Peerbet app and how to withdraw. I think those are the most important things that you need to know. So if you want to get started, start claiming and accumulating this skin app, just check the link in the description, click on it, download the app yourself, sign up, and you can start claiming and start withdrawing as often as you like. It's free and it costs nothing to get started today. So that will be all for now. Don't forget to please like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep receiving updates on more videos like this. Thank you and see you next time.